guys, I have been incredibly bad at keeping tabs of what I've been doing. A little update, I finished painting the cabinets, I've reinstalled almost all of them. I'm waiting to get a new sink. I wanted to put a sticker on top of my countertops, but that too has not arrived yet, so that will have to happen the next time I come. In the meantime, I've been busy. I went to a place to get, because obviously I don't have my equipment here, I went to a place that pre-cut all of my wood for me. So what I want to do is I'm going to build a waterfall here, meaning that when I attach my foil, it'll be going down here in a seamless way. And I want to do some hidden storage, that's why you have this gap here. For that, again, I have made a sketch and I'm currently building that. This is basically where the storage is going to live, on this length here. With my new Bosch drill, I prepared my pilot holes for the wall I am planning to install here. This set comes with a counter drill bit, which I have used for the first time and it's pretty great. It basically means I drill an additional hole in the size of my screw head so that it sits flush with the surface. That way, once I add my vinyl, I will not have ugly bumps from the screw heads. Every now and then you will want to pause to check if you drilled enough and the screw fits. If it doesn't, you just drill a bit more. There you go. Now that fits perfectly. Once I install everything, I'll have a nice flush fit.